AI detectors are flagging content even when it's actually good. And that's the scary part. Not because the content is bad, but because once something gets labeled AI, people trust it less instantly. That's the problem Clever AI Humanizer is trying to solve. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or agency, you're probably already using AI to write blogs, emails, maybe even client work. It saves time. But the second you run that content through an AI detector, it often gets flagged. Now you're stuck rewriting everything manually, which defeats the whole point of using AI in the first place. So in this Clever AI Humanizer review, here's the honest truth after testing it. Clever AI Humanizer AI basically takes your AI generated content and rewrites it so it sounds more natural. Not just swapping words, but changing sentence flow, tone, and structure. The goal is simple: make it read like a real human wrote it. One of the most useful Clever AI Humanizer features is speed. You paste your text, click once, and within seconds you get a cleaner, more natural version. If you're producing content daily, this alone can save hours every week. Another thing I noticed is it keeps your original meaning. This is important if you're writing sales copy, blog posts, or client deliverables. You don't want the message changed, you just want it to sound human. And from a workflow standpoint, it's simple. No complicated setup, no learning curve. It fits right between generating content and publishing it. Now, let's be real about pros and cons. The pros are obvious: huge time savings, better readability, and less manual rewriting. It's especially useful for agencies, freelancers, and anyone scaling content production. The cons: it's not magic. You still need to review the output. And Clever AI Humanizer pricing only makes sense if you're using AI regularly. If you write occasionally, it's probably overkill. So is Clever AI Humanizer worth it? If AI content is part of your business workflow, yes. It saves time, protects your credibility, and makes AI usable at scale. But if you barely use AI, you don't need it. For serious creators and professionals though, tools like Clever AI Humanizer are quickly becoming standard. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.